Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro, for 2023 Suzuki Jimny, stock number 7527. Surrounded on a 10th 2018 to the current shape. There's a K15B 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a K15B 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 15-inch 50mm tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 15-inch 50mm tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch 50mm tyre, right hand door mirror, right front 15-inch 50mm tyre, right front door card, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.